Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crystal, and thank you so much for joining us at the Jones Crew. So today, real quick, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare sea moss. Okay, so I did get this little bag of Irish Jamaican sea moss from Jamaica. From my little Caribbean store here locally in Florida. So if you have a little Caribbean store, that's awesome. You can go right in there and pick it out yourself. If not, there's many websites online where you can actually go ahead and pick out and order online, and they ship it right to you. Okay, so this is how it comes, guys, in a bag. It's full of sand and salt. You can see all the little particles there from the ocean directly from the sea. So you're going to want to rinse this off thoroughly rinse this off. Very good, okay? Then you want to go ahead and get your bowl. Okay, so what I did was actually use this spring water, which is just a regular basic spring water that I did get from Publix. Okay, so I went ahead, once I rinsed it off, I did rinse it off in the sink really quickly. Then I put it here into this bowl, just making sure that I did wash off the excess sand and salt and whatnot, whatever else was on there. I did wash that off thoroughly. Make sure you want to clean that. And then I go ahead and I put this sea moss into my bowl here. Now, after I put it in the bowl, it's already cleaned and everything. I go ahead and fill the bowl up just above the sea moss, making sure that it's fully submerged and covered. I go ahead and fill it up with my spring water. I just poured about half a gallon in the bowl just to cover it on up, guys. You can use as much as you want to. So this is ready. This has actually been soaking all night, for the entire night. This has been soaking. So this is just about done. What I'm going to do is go ahead and pour off the extra water, pour it completely out into a separate bowl just to keep the water, because I'm actually going to use it to go ahead and pour it into my Ninja when I blend it up. So I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to actually just pour out the water and I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I'm back. So I did go ahead and pour out the water. As you can see, I filled up some cups because I'm going to just be using the extra wash for other things as well. Just like these beautiful flowers that I got here. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some of the sea moss water in there just to nourish my flowers and make sure that they do stay beautiful and young. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that right over there. And as you can see, it's going down into the base. And that's going to nourish these flowers right up, guys. So I'm actually going to go ahead and give it another. And how beautiful is that? So beautiful. Don't mind the kids are having a sleepover there in the background. You can see them, Jones Crew. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, hit the little bell notification, and follow some of our pranks and challenges. We do have some awesome challenges and pranks always and forever. So, back to this video. So I did go ahead and pour that out. That's my little dog Sasha barking in the background. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and get my Ninja and show you guys how I'm going to blend this up. So let's go over here to the other side where the blender is. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and put the sea moss into my little Ninja blender here. You can put as much as you like, guys. So I'm just putting a little bit at a time because, as you can see, I have a small ninja bullet here, or magic bullet. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So the water from the sea moss that I was actually soaking it in, remember it was soaking in some water that I poured off to the side. You're gonna now want to go ahead and pour that water back into your blender, your bullet, whatever you have, guys. The trick is to make sure that your water is about exactly where your sea moss is at. So you don't want to have any out of the water. So I'm going to grab another cup here, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there as well. I think that should be good. I think that's good. That might be too much. Might actually go ahead and put some more. Some more sea moss here. So we're going to go ahead and cover that up, guys, and then we're going to blend him right on up. Alright guys, as you can see, what I took out was enough to make 2 full jars. So you want to make sure that you do store your sea moss in glass. Okay, just so it can preserve all the nutrients without any toxins entering the sea moss from whatever container you're holding it in. So I actually don't have jars. I just have these cups that I did get from my local dollar store. So they are completely glass. So I'm just going to use that instead of having to store it into a plastic bin. So I did go ahead and pour that up. It did fit into 2 glass cups, as you can see. So I'm going to actually go ahead and cover these down with my foil just to store them. I did have a lot left over extra that could not fit into the 2 cups because they are very small. So this, I'm going to go ahead and start making smoothies right now for my kids. So I have the extra right here, and I'm just pouring about this much into each smoothie that I'm going to be making for them, guys. But that's about it. All you want to do is let that sit, let it cool, put it in the fridge until it turns solid into a gel. So once it's solid, guys, I'll come back and show you guys. And so you can see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. We are having a hurricane outside right now, so if you guys want to see that, I did post a video on that. Make sure you check that video out, and I'll be right back.